Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and verify Clearpay account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. For the matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your particular phone's Chrome browser and any browser that you prefer. And then you're gonna go back. Let me restart from the top and type in help.clearpay.co.uk on top there in the search bar, and get into this official website of their support. Now right over here, you're gonna tap on this need get in touch option below and scroll down, and then you will find the second option called I want to verify my ID. Go ahead, tap on it, and now it will say your email address that you would like, that is connected with the account, which one you would like to verify. Enter the email address, tap on this privacy notice, and then scroll down. Enter your legal name that is connected, that you have added to your legal documents as well. Your phone number, ID type must be a color photograph, it has asked. Go ahead, enter that, and your address and all of the information that it asks for you to verify, you're gonna add in all and tap on the submit. Once you have submitted your verification request, once you have done being verified, they will send you a confirmation email to notify you, and you will be done. That is the simplest way to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.